Namaskar, good morning, Sat Sri Akal. I'm Kulvinder once again on my YouTube channel Kulvinder Farmer Vision. First of all, happy Independence Day to you all. मेरे साथ जोर से बोलिए जय हिंद जय हिंद. Let's be proud of being an Indian and say once again jai hind. So I'm here on my YouTube channel Kulvinder Farmer Vision for a topic which has already been shared, that is liberation to freedom in life. आज 75th एनिवर्सरी ऑफ फ्रीडम ऑफ इंडिया इज बीइंग सेलिब्रेटेड और हम सब एक आजाद भारत में खुली सांस से जी रहे हैं. But I'm talking in this video liberation to freedom in life for self. That is, as a person, it is very easy to say that enjoy freedom. But we can't enjoy freedom because, first of all, we need to be liberated from our own myths. Let's see what are those. So liberate yourself. That is, set yourself free from some slaveries. What are those slaveries? I will say liberate yourself. Set yourself free from old habits and wrong beliefs. Believe me, to enjoy freedom, it is very necessary हम अपनी ही thought process, अपनी ही old habits में caged है, बंद है, so that we are unable to enjoy the freedom. So first of all, set yourself free and liberate yourself from bad habits and wrong beliefs. For that, be motivated. So motivation will get you started, but determination will keep you growing to break that habit. So सबसे पहले मोटिवेशन रखिए कि मुझे यह करना है. Then be determined to break the old habit and break the myth. कि बहुत पुरानी saying है, old habits die hard. But with this video now onwards, we all will say that we can break our old habits. Breaking a bad habit becomes easier when you replace it with some good different habit. Believe me, I was also reading that these all are processes where we can break our old habit by replacing funda. So list of few habits जिनकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ, हमें liberate होना है. First of all, not following COVID protocol. अगर अभी भी आप इतना बड़ा lesson of 1.5 year लेने के बाद भी you are not following COVID protocol, this is very bad habit. So kindly liberate yourself. And you all know very well that wear mask, social distancing, 2 गज की दूरी बहुत है जरूरी. भीड़ भाड़ में मत जाइए, but still markets are full of people. So please follow COVID protocols. Your own shortcoming is your bad habit. For example, in childhood, I has a habit of nail biting. Some people are having nose pricking, shaking legs, wrong postures. बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हैं, घर में बैठ के पढ़ते हैं. Sometimes they are studying on bed, sometimes on chairs. So we all are caged into our old bad habits. Some are like over-judging people. I do sometimes, yes. Over-interfering. I am not, but maybe you are. So start analyzing yourself with me. That fear of beginning new things हर एक में होता है, मुझ में भी था. I am also overcoming. Fear of being alone. कहीं ना कहीं किसी कोने में सब में होता है. Not prioritizing in life. The very important aspect is do prioritize in life your work. Not being human is a very bad element, because being not a human is, as you can say, a sin, because God has made us as a good human being to being human with everyone. Lack or less confidence, self-confidence. This is also some kind of old bad habit, so that you cannot feel free. Pleasing people diplomatically. If you really love someone, you want to care for people, yes, show it, whether somebody takes it positive or think that you are showcasing yourself. But don't please anybody diplomatically if you really don't care for them or if you don't love people, etc., etc., etc. So now with me start analyzing yourself. आज इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे अपनी कुछ मेजर टॉप 10 ओल्ड हैबिट्स की लिस्ट बनाइए and start working on with me like I'm also doing. सबसे बड़ी हैबिट लिबरेट होने की जरूरत है when you are planning something good. तो सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग। मेरे मन में भी आया था लोग क्या कहेंगे, वीडियो सब देखेंगे, कुछ गलती हो गई तो क्या मेरे में इतनी नॉलेज है। सो माई मोटिवेटर मोटिवेट मी, आई विल नॉट टेक द नेम because I have a plan to take interviews of all my mentors and many of my motivators one by one in front of you. So मुझे भी ये सिखाया गया कि सबसे बड़ा रोग ही यही है कि क्या कहेंगे लोग। सो फर्स्ट गेट स्टार्टेड, बी रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट दैट आप गलत हैं और कहीं पे आप अप्रिशिएटेड हैं। सो इस रोग से लिबरेट होइए, मुक्त होइए एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग योर गुड वर्क्स लाइक anything which you plan in your life. Don't think what people will say for you because people have a habit of saying either they will say good or they will criticize, but they will say something. So be prepared. Liberate yourself from slavery of bad habits. This is our topic, and there are certain plans that how to overcome this. Set a goal. Make a list of habits first, then set a goal that how many habits with what goal you are going to achieve. Plan action for it. Seriously, everything needs efforts. बिना एफर्ट्स के आप कुछ भी जिंदगी में नहीं पा सकते। तो हैबिट को ब्रेक करना तो बहुत बड़ा मुश्किल काम है। Prioritize your work. In your life, always prioritize your work and be determined to do whatever you have decided to do. Don't give up in between. Gain confidence, which you will gain with your supporters, with your motivators. Be in touch with your loving people and your supporters and motivators. Be positive, try new things, find alternatives always. Seek support if need be. Don't hesitate to seek support to learn anything, either from people or from your any source of your information. Finally, replace your bad habit and break the chain of the past old habits. For that, practice self-care. When you will start practicing, we Indians have a habit to care about others, your family, your peers, your loved ones, but always plan self-care also. Then you are able to liberate yourself from old habits and feel freedom. सबसे सर्वोत्तम चीज जो मैंने मेंशन करी सबसे एंड में, बिकॉज इन द एंड वट एवर यू गेन, be full of gratitude practice. Continuously keep a habit of doing gratitude practice जिससे आपने सीखा जिंदगी में जिस मोमेंट पे जिसने हेल्प करी। Be full of gratitude to people and above all our universal truth mentor, that is God. So be full of gratitude to God, whatever the situation is, whatever the time is. Be happy, be healthy, and become a conqueror. Win over yourself, then only you will be able to feel free. So shed your unwanted habit burdens and feel free like as if a bird is released from a cage. So feel free, shed your unwanted habit burdens, then feel free and enjoy the essence of freedom. So by liberating from your old habits and wrong beliefs, you will feel free because happy heart can lead to free mind. I read this quote yesterday only. Thanks for the sender also. Feel free, enjoy the essence of freedom on the day of independence. Plan your shedding the burdens of old habits and wrong beliefs. I'm sure you will try to implement few things from this video in your life and enjoy the essence of freedom Independence Day. So happy Independence Day you all once again. Stay tuned to my channel Kulvinder Pharma Vision. I'm your KV. Once again coming up with very soon my all technical videos because my objective of this channel is Pharma Vision. I always get fascinated by the festivals and some of my thoughts which I keep on sharing in between. So coming on track very soon. Keep watching my channel Kulvinder Pharma Vision. Bell the button and subscribe it if you have not done till now. So be happy, spread happiness. Be peaceful, spread peace. Enjoy your life. Thank you. Namaste.